and all that.
Alright, this is potentially our last ride for the year, well, weather permitting, of course. We're going to Brecon next, to the waterfront, to meet up with maybe a couple of other people. And then after that... A Royal Enfield Bullet Trials replica. Well, it's been done in the colours that Johnny Britton had on his Royal Enfield when he did trials riding. I wouldn't want a trials ride on it, it's too heavy.
It's my Sunset Interceptor.
Yeah.
Is that it? Sunset Interceptor 650.
650.
Yeah. What have you done to it?
New seat.
Yeah.
New seat. Whoa, what else do I put on here? Oh, slip-ons.
Yeah. What are they?
Lex Tech.
Lex Tech. Well, they look good.
Yeah, they look good.
Oh, you got the fly screen as well, panniers.
Panniers. What else you got? We've got a grill by here.
Yeah, nice.
Some little badges down by here.
Talk us through your custom helmet.
Oh, my custom helmet. Right, got this from XL Moto, I think it was. It's exactly the same as the Bell one.
Which I've got.
Yeah, which you've got. I put my stickers on there. Well, what it was, you have a spare one with these. And you put them on, so you just cut it up and put it on there. Yeah, pretty tidy, retro looking. Got the pins there for the pin lock. Bargain.
What does it sound like, Kev?
No,
it's good though.
Baffles are still in on this, mate.
Oh yeah. Right then, Andrew.
This is my 2007 Truxton 900. What have I done to it to make it my own? Polished the casings. Norman Hyde exhausts, which give you a lovely note. It doesn't come with mirrors, so they were an extra. Fly screens, fork gaiters. A very handy little tool there. That's what you call a clock on the stem nut, which is you use it all the time. Oh, and
Not for vertically challenged
little cat-eye indicators, and I've got a 1970s Lucas replica pipe. Tail light with a little blue dot in the middle, which I think
nice.
is really cool. Yeah?
Very cool.
Thank you.
How does it sound?
Superb. You want to try it?
Yeah, go for it.
Right, here we go.
Whoa, that sounds amazing. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so I'm going to try my one out now. Continental GT. Let's turn it on. Yeah, that sounds good.
Ready?
Yeah, go on. Bloody hell. That sounds great. Yeah, so a couple of mods. Got the bar end mirrors, windscreen, whatever you call that, fly screen. Got a, what do you call it? Air filter as well. Air filter kit, yeah. Just taking a couple of things off here, just make it look a bit sleeker, I guess. And yeah, that's about it. Great. Oh, look at that! What's that?
USB. That's for
What's your sat nav?
no, for charge. That's for charging the battery.
Oh, that's cool. Trickle charger and a
USB there.
USB.
Cigarette socket.
Oh, that's nice. Guess who's next? Go on. What do we have then?
We've got
an Interceptor 650 I've had for 18 months, 2 years.
How are you finding it?
I love it. Lovely
Yeah?
bike. Yeah. Very easy to live with. It's neat, it looks nice.
And then all of a sudden, after a while, it takes
I've done next to nothing to it. I put new tyres on and I put a new air filter on. But apart from that, it's completely standard.
But it looks fantastic.